Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you guys my swap. This is what I'm sending in for the swap that Brittany hosted. I will make sure to link her Instagram and YouTube down below so you guys can check her out. She hosts swaps every now and then, and this was her Halloween flower swap, and I'm so excited. This is my first time making flowers, and I really like the way they came out. So we had to make one paper, one fabric, and one unique, and then we did it for our group. So let me go ahead and show you guys. This is the first flower I made. Super excited. This is paper, and it's a lavender is what I'm going for. So I just rolled up the green paper to make the stem, and then I might have to show a tutorial on how to do this because it's a little hard to explain, but I just took a piece of paper, folded it in half, cut the lines, and then rolled it up. If that makes sense. Hopefully it does. And then I just put some spider web around it because it is Halloween, and a little spider. So there's that one. Let me put that over there. The next one I did is the fabric one, and it's just on this little circle. And I just took a piece of fabric. I think I did 2 inches, folded it in half, sewed it down, just straight down, and then I just ruffled it, gluing it onto here, and then I centered it with a orange button. Excuse the hot glue on this one, it came out a little messy, but this one is mine. I'm keeping in this one. So, and then the other one that I did is the unique, and it's not super unique, but it is lace, and I just kind of pulled it around, and I added this ribbon. I cut out leaves from the ribbon, and then I centered it with these little gold cabochons. These are from Brittany's shop, so I will link down her shop down below too. And so because these were tiny, I made 2 of them per person, and then so those are all the flowers. And then let me show you how I packaged it up. I just put it in this little bag. This is from my Pipsticks subscription, and I just put a little bit of what is it, double-sided, like little, like a glue dot, but a tiny one so they can easily pull it off, and it's on a vellum sheet. And then I put some shred down here with some cute gold balls, and so there's that. And then of course I am sending candy because it is Halloween, so you have to get candy. So I'm sending my favorite Halloween candies, which are these Kool-Aid popping candy Scary Berry, also some Airhead Extreme Bites, an Airhead Watermelon, also sending an Airhead Grape Lollipop, and another one of my favorites is these tongue painters, and they're bubblegum pops. This one is grape. It's Bon Bon Bum or something brand, and these will go into this little black striped baggie. And then I'm just gonna do a quick staple. Oops, maybe not a quick staple. Okay, of course, because I'm filming. There we go. Okay, there's that. So that's how that will go. And then there's the bag, the candy, and then I'm also going to be sending some extras. So in this little pumpkin bag, these ones are from Dollar Tree. They come in a pack of 4. And then I'm going to include this Happy Halloween wood piece. This is from the Dollar Tree as well. I think this one comes in a pack of 3, and it will go down there. Also a sticker. This is the only thing that's changed between the packs. I just grabbed random sticker packs from my stash. And then I'm including the super cute bat crayon. It's one of the ones that you pull out and move to the bottom or whatever. These I got, I think, last year or the year before from Walmart. I don't, Target or Walmart. And then I'm including a purple sparkly spider. And then that will get tied up with this cute twine. And then I will also include this little felt ghost, which is from the Dollar Tree as well. And then it will be tied with this. And this will also go around it to hold the tags for it. So with our group, we do know who we are swapping with. So this one is Brittany's. So I will tie all of hers together here in a moment, but let me show you what it looks like already done. So here is my swap partners. There's that one, and that one. So that is all. I'm going to package this up and send it on its way. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!